You asked for it, and we made it happen. The new Design on Multiple Products feature lets you place your designs on multiple products with just a few clicks and create product collections in minutes. Let me show you how it works. First, head over to your Printful dashboard. Click Product Templates and create a new template. Make or upload your design to the design maker. And once you do that, a suggested product selection will appear, letting you pick up to 4 additional products. After making your product selections, you can switch between designing all of your selected products. The changes you make on one product won't automatically apply to all, so you can play around with the placement and size, make it into a pattern, and add extra elements to each separate product. So it's not just a copy-paste of the same design on different products, you can work on unique pieces that complement each other. Designing a product collection has never been easier. If you wonder how this feature will help your business, let me share some important data. One of the leading factors for the success of your business is the ability to keep your customers' interest. Approximately 50% of our customers' sales come from products they added in the last 6 months. Products get fewer and fewer sales as they age. To ensure you get regular sales and keep your customers engaged, you have to keep pushing out new products they'd want to buy. So why not take a best-selling t-shirt design and adapt it to fit a mug and a phone case to create a product collection? We also added an option for you to create template collections. You can think of them as folders to help you organize your product templates in a neatly grouped, easy to browse way and ensure nothing is missed. Are you excited about these new updates? Click the link to try out the Design on Multiple Products feature and let me know your first impression once you try it. All right. See you in the next video. Bye.